Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use Notion for note-taking updated. Open a blank page and choose a template that fits how you think. Start with clear headings, toggles, and bullet lists. Add tags or databases for easy search and organization. Use inline images and code blocks for richer notes. Enable device sync and offline access so your work follows you. Keep things simple and consistent for faster review and retrieval. Create a main notes database to capture all ideas and meetings, and give each entry clear properties like date and tags. Use filtered linked views on project pages so related notes appear automatically. Build templates for meetings, research, and daily logs to speed capturing details. Add relations between notes and tasks to connect work. Regularly archive or tag completed notes so active information stays uncluttered and easy to navigate. Use relations and roll-ups to link notes with tasks, projects, and deadlines for a living system that updates itself. Embed PDFs, slides, and web bookmarks so references live right next to your thoughts. Take advantage of slash commands, templates, and keyboard shortcuts to capture ideas rapidly. If you use databases, create custom views for study, work, or planning. Spend a little time upfront, and your Notion workspace will save hours every week.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.